Hi guys, welcome back to Aviation 747. Today we are going to be unboxing and reviewing the UPS 747-400F by Gemini Jets in 1:400 scale. So we'll start with the box. We have this kind of teal turquoise colour base colour there, the Gemini Jets logo, made for collectors by collectors, the clip art of the aircraft there, Boeing 747-400F, the UPS logos there, look inside tab, which if we do look inside, we have all the information about the aircraft, so if you want to read that, you can just pause there and read it. We have the Gemini Jets logo again there, and all of their slogan. This white colour here, Gemini Jets logo, clip art, all that. And the UPS logo, and then we've got the adult collectible warnings and barcode, and then the same white bit on this side. So moving on to the back, we have the aircraft climbing as real as it gets, all that jazz, where to find them on social media, all the licensing down there, and it is a 2023 release, which I will tell you why is important later on. So we'll get the aircraft out of the box, and we have the the tray there. So take that off. 2 pieces of plastic, really big, cover the whole aircraft. That is really good by Gemini Jets level of care for the models there, and this royal blue tray. So we'll take the aircraft out of the box and just put this on the floor for a second, and we can have a look at the aircraft. So straight out of the box, it is a very good representation of the real aircraft, I would say. They got the colours for the livery spot on. Yeah, it's a very good mould, 747. It's always never been a problem for Gemini Jets. So I think we can get straight into a closer look at the aircraft. So we will start off. Oh, this is not an interactive series, by the way. This is just the standard one. So to start off here, we have the. You probably can't see that; it's not picking up. But we have the kind of graphic like outline for where the door would come up there. Which is very well detailed, a few like pitot tubes and stuff like that there, and all that. We got the cockpit windows there, and I think that's the crew rest area on the top level, or something like that. I don't know why it would have windows if it wasn't. The worldwide services and the entrance door there with the front gear just there. The wings with the 2 Rolls-Royce engines, but I can't remember which ones, I believe. And yeah, we have an antenna just there as well. So moving on, we have the main or secondary cargo entrance just there, and the registration, which is, can barely read that, it is what is that, November 581, can't remember what U is, can't remember what P is, I've just had a mental block there, but oh well. We have the yellow kind of line there with the dark brownish black of the UPS colour scheme with the UPS logo on the tail there, which looks very good. Now and another antenna just at the back there as well. And the main thing about this aircraft that I've noticed is it doesn't actually have rolling landing gear, which from a 2023 release is quite disappointing, I would say. Also, one of these moves and then none of the other ones do, so I'm not really sure why. We have a mould line there, but that's not the end of the world. There is a slightly different colour, I'm not sure if that's picking up. Got the UPS logo there as well. But and the Gemini Jets logo just there in a stand hole in the middle. So yeah, with the overall aircraft, it's very nice, and it's just a shame that they didn't put the rolling gear on, because obviously 2023 now, well, when the aircraft came out, landing gear have been out for rolling gear have been out for a very long time by that point. So yeah, I'm not really sure why. I'm not sure if it was a re-release that they never really changed from a few years back or what, but it's not the end of the world. Like, I don't need my aircraft to have rolling gear, but it's just, you know, when you're paying 50 quid really for a 747, you're kind of expecting rolling gear and the likes. So yeah, that is a negative mark for Gemini jets on that front, but apart from that, the aircraft is great level of, you know, care and protection for the aircraft in the box. No broken parts or anything, very good mould, very good detail, everything's very sturdy and just a very good model really. So yeah, I would say if you really do care about your landing gear and the level of detail that goes into them, probably want to avoid this model, but for the rest of us that kind of aren't super fussed about that, then this model is a great model for you. This is my first cargo aircraft, and I'd recommend it to anyone else who wants a cargo aircraft as a flyer there. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.